Think of solving this question as planting seeds in the garden of your future. Each correct answer is a seed that will blossom into your success that you have cultivated. You're presented with amazingly elegant shapes. Don't you appreciate those drops or map pointers depending how you look at them? The first shape has numbers 12, 21, 6 and 7. The second shape has numbers 14, 27, 7 and 9. The third shape has numbers 34, 51, 17, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 16, choice B, 17, choice C, 18, and last but not least, choice D, 19. Take your time to carefully think through this problem, eliminate the wrong choices, and double-check your final answer. Ready, set, go! Time's up. Are you ready with your answer? I hope you are, since the pattern here cannot be any simpler. Take a close look at numbers diagonally. 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12, and 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. In fact, lower numbers multiplied by 2 and 3 are used to calculate the top numbers diagonally. Let's confirm that we're on the right track with the second shape. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14, and 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. Now let's switch to the third shape. 17 multiplied by 2 equals 34. And you know what time it is? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 51 divided by 3 equals 17. So the correct answer here is choice B, 17. But wait, there is more. Here's the question for you to practice. You're presented with 3 shapes. First shape has numbers 10, 20, 5 and 4. Second shape has numbers 6, 24, 3 and 6. And then the third shape has numbers 14, 36, 7, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 6, choice B, 7, choice C, 8, and choice D, 9. After you've calculated your answer, post it in comments and I'll provide you my feedback. Best of luck with this exciting challenge. It's hard to deny what Steve Jobs once said. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is a great work. Let's approach this assessment test question with passion and commitment to excellence to make sure we can tell ourselves once we're done that we tried it to the best of our abilities. You're presented with 2x4 matrix. The matrix has 7 numbers inside, and the 8th number is missing. The numbers are 4, 3, 9, 7, 1, 1, 9, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 3, choice B, 4, choice C, 5, and last but not least, choice D, 6. Are you ready to show your answer? The pattern here is tricky, but not unsolvable. Let's look at the first row. It has numbers 4, 9, 1, and 9. We need to double 1-digit number on the left, and then double it again, adding 1 to both multiplications to calculate the 2-digit number on the right. Let's look at the example. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 equals 9. 9 multiplied by 2 plus 1 equals 19. Now we can calculate the missing number in the second row. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 equals 7. And 7 multiplied by 2 plus 1 equals 15. So the correct answer here is choice C, 5. Remember the wisdom of Ralph Waldo Emerson? What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. This wisdom should help us tap inside our own potential and help us solve this particular question. Let's harness our inner strength and potential to tackle this test with confidence, knowing that our capabilities far exceed any challenges that we may face. You are presented with 4 shapes. Each shape consists of pentagon, triangle, and the donut. You need to determine which shape does not belong to the sequence. And your choices are, out of 4 shapes, choices A, B, C, and D. Do you see the answer? Well, this question may not be the easiest to solve, just like a lot of things in life. But I know you have the skills and creativity to tackle it. Trust in your abilities, and let's explore all possible options. Let's tackle this as a team. Are you ready to show your answer? And the solution here might be easier than you think. To solve it, you need to rotate the shapes to put them into the equal position. For example, we can use position of the shape A as a base position, and this will help us equalize all the shapes to see the difference and find the answer. We can keep shape A in the same position. All we need to do is to rotate shapes B, C, and D. And once you put all 4 shapes side by side, then you can see that the donut in the shape D is in the right corner instead of the left corner for the shapes A, B, and C. So the correct answer here is choice D. It's hard to argue with Albert Einstein, who once said, imagination is more important than knowledge. So let's harness our creativity and think outside of the box to tackle this problem-solving question with fresh perspective. You're presented with 3 shapes. Each shape has 5 squares, and each square has a number inside. The numbers for the first shape are 7, 5, 5, 6, and then 5 in the middle. For the second shape, the numbers are 4, 7, 9, 4, and then number 8 in the middle. For the third shape, the numbers are 2, 5, 8, 3, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 0, choice B, 1, choice C, 5, and last but not least, choice D, 7. Are you prepared to showcase your response? The pattern here is that difference of multiplied diagonal numbers calculates the middle number. Let's look at the example with the first shape. 7 multiplied by 5 minus 5 multiplied by 6 equals 5. Let's continue to the next shape. 4 multiplied by 9 minus 4 multiplied by 7 equals 8. And now we can calculate the missing number. 2 multiplied by 8 minus 5 multiplied by 3 equals 1. So the correct answer here is choice B, 1. When I looked at this question, I realized that deciphering it is like teaching fish to ride a bicycle. Solving this challenge seems improbable, but with enough patience and creativity, who knows what might happen. You're presented with the circle, which is broken down into 8 sections. Each section has a number inside. Starting from 11 o'clock, counterclockwise, the numbers are 72, 52, 43, 23, 49, 25, 64, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 8, choice B, 16, choice C, 48, and last but not least, choice D, 72. Are you ready? To solve this challenge, let's draw a vertical line in the middle of the circle. You have numbers on the left, 72, 52, 43, and 23. And as you might have guessed, numbers on the left are the input numbers to calculate numbers in the section across on the right side. And numbers on the right are calculated as a first digit in the power of the second digit. Let's look at the example. The number on the left is 72. Number in the opposite section right across is 49. 7 in the power of 2 is 49. This is how 49 was calculated. Let's look at the other numbers. 5 in the power of 2 is 25. 4 in the power of 3 is 64. Then to calculate the missing number, we need to take 2 in the power of 3, which would be equal to 8. So the correct answer here is choice A, 8. Here's the question for you to solve. You're presented with 3 diamonds. First diamond has numbers 3, 6, 9, and 2. Second diamond has numbers 6, 12, 18, and 4. And then the third diamond has numbers 7, 15, 21, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 5, choice B, 6, choice C, 7, and last but not least, choice D, 8. After you found the answer, post it in comments and I'll provide my feedback. Best of luck with this exciting challenge. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.